Hello everyone. So welcome back to Ramta Education, and we are going through a hard phase right now of coronavirus. So I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I would like to tell you more about what precautions or how this virus might spread to our computer science students or software engineers. So I won't be mentioning things that you already know, like cleaning your hands more often, eating good food, and of course, not overstocking items. So these things you already know. But there are a few things which I would like to tell you, which are based on my own analysis during this whole social distancing period. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that social distancing is hard. We interact with people like before this corona thing happened. We used to interact, people are like so close to us and we sit next to each other, and all of a sudden you are supposed to, hey, stay away from me. So that's a bit tough, but it's not impossible. So try to distance yourself as much as you can to reduce the possibility of getting the virus. So let's get back to the topic which we started this video for, which is about the steps, which it's not exactly the steps, but the chances with which the virus can spread to any computer science student or a software engineer. Okay, so the first one is about using someone else's devices. So this is a really important thing which could happen to a software engineer, that if I'm stuck at something, I would definitely ask for help from my seniors or my peers, that hey, can you help me with this thing? Hey, can you help me with that thing? What they would do, they hop onto my computer, if I have not committed the code or something like that, they would hop onto my computer and start working on it. I don't know if their hands are affected, I don't know if my keyboard is affected, but this is one way that the virus can spread. So, and it could be the other way around, that what if I am affected with a virus and my keyboard is affected, the person hops onto my computer and he gets the virus as well. So in this period, try to distance, or try to stop as much as you can from using other person's PC or laptop or mobile devices, as well as don't let them use your devices. So that's one thing. Second thing is about carpooling. I have seen a lot of people doing carpooling, even in the Bay Area, even in Austin, and also I used to see this in India. So this carpooling is something when you have a lot of chances to spread the virus. If you are not feeling well, try to stay home. Also, if you are feeling well, in this period of coronavirus, try to take as much protection as you can. So wear a mask, or if you feel like coughing or sneezing, sneeze in your elbows, which this is a common thing, but when you are carpooling, you should take 3 times care, or I should say 100 times care about this thing, because you might affect the person who is eventually helping you or whom you are trying to help, right? So try to not come to the office if you are feeling sick, or if you if you feel that you are well enough to go outside, try to take these cares, like even use hand sanitizers and everything. So this is the carpooling thing. And the third thing is about not to panic with mild sickness and ask to work from home. Don't be afraid to ask to work from home to your employers, because this is a stage where you can work from home, because the issue is extremely serious. In the US, we have a national emergency as well. So try to, even the restaurants are closed. So this is, the mild sickness could be a result of your own mental trouble. Not the by mental trouble, I mean that mental, we can say, if you think about something a lot, you eventually get it. I'm not saying about the coronavirus, but about sickness, because this is something what I felt when I used to have my own results. So if I have a result day, what would happen is I keep thinking I'm gonna get bad grades, and eventually I will get bad grades, but the issue is that I will get fever as well. So that's like a lose-lose situation for me. If I am having bad grades and if I am well, that's okay. That's not a bad thing for me. But if I am sick and I am having bad grades, that's horrible. So this thing is more of a mental thing that we should take care of. That and the most important thing is this is also the basic hygiene you already know about eating good food. So eating good food and keeping your immune system strong as much as you can. So try doing that and don't be afraid. If you are home, working at home, and if you are sick, try to take care of it for a couple of days. And if you don't feel well, definitely go out and have a checkup. Don't be afraid to go for a coronavirus checkup. A few dollars spent right now would be way more effective than a bunch of dollars lost later. So try to do that. Fourth thing, it's about keeping your work desk clean. So we as software engineers or students, we have two work desks. One is at home and one is at office, right? So on both the work desks we have a bunch of people interacting with it. If you are home, you have your partner, you have your kids, you have your parents. They have their own groups of interaction outside, right? So you never know from where the virus might come into your place, into your home. So just to be triple sure about this, try to clean your desk as much as you can, because it said that prevention is better than cure, right? So the good thing is, for the people below the age of 50, this virus won't be that deadly unless and until you have extreme or severe symptoms, or if your immune system is too low. But still, it's a good way to take care of your own health. In your office, it could be the thing that a lot of people come to your place and they might not have cleaned their hands, and whatever the reasons could be, but they might affect your desk. So try to clean your office desk. I would suggest to do it every day in this situation. So try doing those things. So these are some ways which I have thought that the viruses might spread when I have seen this on my day-to-day basis in this period. So I would like to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about which are the other ways that this virus can spread, and what precautions we should take as a software engineer and student. So let me know in the comment section below about ways that this can spread. Alright, so now I would like to discuss about what we should be doing when we are working from home. These are just like 3 points I would like to tell you, that what should we do when we are working from home. So the first thing is about try to learn newer technologies. So if you are a front-end engineer, try to get your hands into back-end. If you are a back-end engineer, try to get your hands into front-end. And if you are a full stack, because that's what people need in these days, big companies, they look for full stack engineers. So try to reach there. And if you are a full stack, try to get into ML, machine learning, and explore the ways or the possibilities which you have never explored before. Try doing that. Okay, so the second thing is about but before that, tell me which technologies you feel are most advanced right now in the comment section, and for everything, for front end, for even back end, for testing, for just like for React we use Jest for testing. If you feel that there's any advanced technologies, just let us know in the comment section below. There could be like any possibility. I don't care which technologies you would be talking about. I will explore all of them. So okay, so the second thing is about reading books. If you cannot order, or if you don't have books right now at home, try reading few books from the internet, because there are PDF versions of it out there. So try reading them if you are not reading books. If you are reading books, that's awesome. But if you are not, then it might be a new chapter in your life. You might start reading something which is more interesting. Because when I started reading books, it was the same thing. I know already those things. Why should I read it? But it's more like you are getting reminded that these things are supposed to be done, and you already know but you are not doing it. So that's why we read books, and it has a lot of examples in it. So try reading as much as you can, and it will help you. So also, those people who are reading books, do suggest in the comment section below which books have helped you a lot, which you guys are reading a lot, and what I don't care in this as well. Like, give me as many books as you can, and I'll go through all of them. Like, I'll review all of them. Not review, but I'll which one to buy next. So okay, so I'll pick one from most of them. So do that. The third thing is about this one is my favorite one. So I play FIFA a lot. I've been trying to like reduce playing it because this is a major time killer. But in this time, a lot of people might be free, so I see that there are at least like 20,000 people playing in the afternoon. So if you guys are playing, and if you guys want to play, just let me know your PlayStation ID, the PlayStation Plus ID in the comment section, and I'll send you a request and we can play a game or two. So if you guys are playing FIFA, yeah, we can play it. So these were a few things which I wanted to share with you guys about the chances of spreading this virus right now, and also what precautions we could possibly take, and how to make the most out of our work from home schedule. So let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section below, and also please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you next time, and have a good one. Bye bye.